Good, good evening, dear tutor and dear partners. My name is Karen Montaña. I am a student of bachelor degree in English as a foreign language. First, I'm present my apologies because I was very sick, but in this moment I feel better. I'm start my presentation with a special picture of my city. Bogota is my city. I was born here and I have lived here all my life. I'm 47 years old and I remember when I lived in the southern neighborhood. There were more green space, some residential space for um, far from the city center. Um, I'm present the characteristics of my city, Bogota, city with many parks. My city is the largest in Colombia, and it is already considered a special district. I love my city because it welcomes many people who come from other cities and the countries, and this allows me to have many different cultures and lifestyles. You can find different parks like Timisa, Simón Bolívar, La Florida, in different space of Bogota. Beautiful park. Bogota is home for many cultures. With this in mind, um, there are many universities, and it is the special opportunity to um, to meet different persons who travel to Colombia, especially to Bogota, because it's the capital. Um, in the Bogota town, you're, you can look different activities and in the weekend, and you see the person of Germany, French, Italy, uh, special Arabian, and it's good because you can learn um, language and learn the attitudes and the different culture. Yes, because there are many space where you can uh, share and look for the art and theater, for example. Many touristic place. Bogota um, is maybe the first touristic city in Colombia. Mm, I love when my family visit me or friends who don't know my city because I can show you so many interesting places that we always need time to meet it. For example, um, we can visit National Museum with the better artworks, For example, Colon Theater is beautiful. The bed's a beautiful place for dramatic expressions. Mm, Simon Bolivar Park is large and full of many activities for all family. Um, for example, Maloca is a special place of the technology. The hill of Monserrate is special because you can see um, the whole city from from uh, from this hill. Um, and there are many places, uh, cinemas, mills, other parks, and it's very interesting. Um, Look for the different activities of the people who lives in Bogota. The university is touristic too because you can look the expressions of art, photography, um, different works of the students. Well, in fact, my favorite place is the Ascent neighborhood La Candelaria. It's my favorite place. Is because there are many places to visit. Libraries, theaters, museums, squares, bars, and universities. This neighborhood is the first in the city where it was founded, founded, and its house are beautiful and mm, ancient house, very big, and keep at 1,000 stories. Uh, I lived in Bogota. I lived in this neighborhood, La Candelaria, for 10 years. In this special place, I meet many people from many countries and cities. Uh, there, my daughter did all the studies until the university. There are many curious and ghostly stories in this place. It's very interesting. It is uh, protected by the cultural heritage law of the Colombia um, because have many stories since maybe 4 centuries. Particularly characteristics of my city is the weather because it's very varied. Um, for example, in the morning we see the sunrise behind our great hill of Monserrate, but you feel very cold, like ice. All through early mornings can reach a very cool temperature. At 9 morning is already a beautiful sunny day. Maybe uh, maybe 10 o'clock, maybe. Yes, and in the afternoon, you can feel the change because arrive the rain and the thunder but you need to put your jacket and your hat and umbrella because it's different climb like in the morning. Different. Um, in the night it's very good because you can to walk in the city and visit the cinema, visit the theater, the presentation, especially presentation, for example, in the Julio Mario Santo Domingo Library. It's good. It's beautiful. My city. Maybe all people talk about the insecurity in, in Bogota, but if you um, never walk alone, you need to talk with your families and in group. It's necessary to uh, visit different place, but in group. Yes, if you um, work with a person who lives in Bogota, because we know the different street, who is that it is danger or not is dangerous. Yes. Thank you for your attention. I hope for your suggestions and your opinions. And I hope that you want to visit my city. It's beautiful, and and maybe you love Bogota like me. Thank you. Bye. Bye bye.